In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the junk mail option in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In Outlook, you can actually modify how our junk email function works. We can create a very vigorous filter for all of the emails which we know are junk, and none of the emails which we know are junk ever end up there. In the menu bar, click on Junk. In the drop-down, the first thing we can do is block a sender, which means all of the email from the selected sender will go to the junk mails. If you select Never Block Sender, it means that even if something may be flagged as junk, Outlook will never send any email from the sender to junk mail. It's the same for the third option. Suppose you receive many emails from different domains such as Gmail. If you select this option, Outlook will never send any emails from this domain to junk. Although by using this, you may get junk or spam emails from someone who has the same domain name. The next option is to never block this group or mailing list. Now, if you get an email from a group or mailing list, you need to make sure that the group is whitelisted in your system. Then finally, if we go to this junk email option, this is where we can really alter our filter. From here, we choose the level of junk email protection we want. We can select the No Filter option, then all of the emails we get will not be marked as junk except the blocked ones. We can select Low, which is on by default. It can mark the most obvious junk mails and leave the rest in the inbox. You can also select High, where most junk email is caught, but some of the regular emails may also be marked as junk, so you need to be careful about it. You can also select Safe List Only, where the person on your safe sender or recipient list will not be marked as junk, but all the others will. Now, how you can create that kind of list you'll learn later in this video. If you turn on this option, it will automatically delete all the emails that are supposed to go to the junk emails. Now, let's go to the Safe Senders tab. Here, you can create a Safe Senders list, where all of the emails from this list will go straight to your inbox. You can mark a sender as a safe sender in the inbox, or you can click Add. Give your sender's email address and click on OK. Here, we have added another name to the Safe Sender list. If you want to remove someone from the list, select the address and click on Remove. You can also import a list of your own, or export your list and share it with someone. If you want to import your own list, click on Import. Now select your file and click on Open. Here you can see that our list has been imported. Now let's go to the Safe Recipients tab. Suppose you have a recipient whom Outlook has flagged as dangerous, then your mail may not leave your outbox at all. Just like before, click on Add and create your safe recipient list. Now let's go to the blocked senders. You can add different senders to this blocked sender list so that when they send you an email, it will automatically be marked as junk. Just like before, you can import and export this list also. Now let's go to the International tab. Here you can filter your emails from abroad. You can block certain top-level domain codes, and you can block emails with special characters or foreign languages. When you are done, click on Apply, then OK. Following these steps, you can configure your junk mails however you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.